Hey nail friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new here and if you were just returning, it's your girl Jenna and I am a licensed nail tech. This video is going to be an unboxing. I needed to restock up on supplies from SHEIN just to restock up my nail salon, and I figured I would share with you guys what I got. This area back here is kind of cluttered, so I got a couple things to tidy that up, and then most of my stuff is just like salon maintenance. So let's get into this package, y'all. Alrighty, so I got some purple nail buffers, got pink gloves, got some shiny buffs, a dotting tool. Let's see, open her up. Okay. So one end is silicone and one end is for picking up my gems, and it's super cute, right? Love this case. Ooh, this is opened or not all the way closed. It looks like some gems are escaping, but we got some colorful gems here, like neons. You can see them that way. There's so much stuff in this box, so I'm just reaching in and pulling out, and we're figuring it out as we go together. Okay, I got some stir sticks, some Gleamed Elf stir sticks for like mixing. Ooh. I'm gonna use these for like mixing my glitters, mixing my gel polishes. Just basically something to help me scoop out sculpted gel. And they come in different sizes. Let me see if I can get these out. All right, so here are all the different shapes, and they have cute little bling knobs on them. All right, some more glitters. Is this in a case? Let me see. All right, all of these glitters. So cute. I got these cute little books here, like little file thingies. Little files, because I want to hold like my nail foils in here so people can just flip through and kind of see what they are. And I don't think they're going to be big enough to hold my airbrush stencils, but we will see. Maybe I'll just cut them to fit so people can also flip through and see what I have for airbrush stencils. So I have one for foils, one for stencils, some nail art glitters. These are rectangle glitters. I have some fruit slices, and these are dried flowers, and we'll probably use those for encapsulation and some nail art. Got these little pots too for mixing my own acrylic, mixing my own glitters, holding nail charms, just whatever situation I might need these little pots for. And I got this 30-bit cuticle diamond drill bit set just because I really like doing cuticle work with my e-file, and it's good to have backups, especially when I have lots of clients. I can just pop these in and out instead of having to sanitize every single time before clients. I've got some backups. I also bought some spray bottles, just because I needed some spray bottles for like water and alcohol. And then I got a drill bit case. I think this holds 20. I don't remember how many it holds. Maybe like 18. I'm not exactly sure. But I needed an extra case for my drill bits. We're talking about drill bits. I got this grinder. This is for filing, and this is for filing down nails. So hopefully that drill bit comes in handy. I'm sure it will. I also got this really cute drill bit cleaner to help clean off all of that dust. I believe this side is copper and this is just plastic, but it'll help just get all that extra grit and dust out of my drill bit pieces. And it's super cute, you guys. Look at how cute it is. Then I just got a couple of nail art enhancements. These are little mushrooms. I don't think you can really see that too well, but I have some mushrooms. These are little Barbie doll heads. We also sell leopards and, okay, I think they're all leopard. So 3 of these sheets of leopard gold nail stickers. Super excited about this one. Let's see how it looks, because sometimes we get a little dusty and we want to keep our clothes clean. So I figured I would get a cute little apron. Let's look at her. Okay. Dripping. Cute. Love her. Just wish she had pockets, but that's okay. We will make her work. I think she's only like $3 too. But so cute, right? I think this is spider gel. Let's open it up and see. It says line gel, but I'm pretty sure this is spider gel that I ordered in black and in white. I'm not going to open it up, but once we get into it, I'll show you guys what we're working with there. Actually, you know what? Let's just see, because I'm curious. Oh yeah, that's definitely spider gel. Oh, I'm so excited to use this. I cannot wait. I don't know if you guys can see how ooey gooey that is. But it's definitely giving cobwebs, it's giving spider, it's giving everything it needs to give. Oh, geez. And like I said, I got that in black and in white. Can't wait to use this. Ooh, I'm so excited. All right, now I've got 2 of these boxes inside of my big box. And this is what I'm going to be using to reorganize my desk area. These are identical, so I'll just show you guys one of them. And hopefully they will give me some extra space and less clutter over in this corner. And aesthetically, hopefully it will look better in these videos. So let's just see what we're working with. These are the organizers. So these are just, I can get them out. All right, having a little bit of technical difficulty. All right, got it. All right, but how cute are these? They glow with a blue wall. So this is how the inside of the tray looks. And it's just got a couple drawers, so I'll be able to put storage into these. I'm really looking forward to this. These are so super cute. And I believe they are exactly the same, but now I don't remember. And I'm gonna open up the other one just to make sure. All right, so I'm just double checking to make sure this is the same, because they did have different styles and I was kind of like adding stuff to my cart and getting rid of stuff. But yes, they are 2 of these same, and that's just gonna clear up some of this clutter back here. I don't remember how much I spent. I want to say it was probably close to $70, but I will figure it out and we'll let you guys know. If you have any questions about anything that I got, drop a question in the. And I hope you guys enjoyed this nail haul. I'm going to reorganize this section, and next time you see me, you will see some of these products. See you soon, nail friends.